So Audi Q5, water leak found. I'm just going to show you what we found at this exact point. 28-point check completed, and we've accumulated that we've seen that we've got 2 leaks on the vehicle. Originally we thought the damage here was the main cause. It is part of the reason why the car is leaking, but also, hence the tape, the drainage point here on the roof is also blocked. Now I'll put some plastic sheeting underneath the car here, just so the water that we use when it comes through the vehicle doesn't make its way into our drainage system. What I'm going to do is use this to apply some water to the sunroof area. And the actual roof is designed, it's sloped so the water makes its way at the back of the car. With me squeezing water in, you should see water making its way through the drainage channels into the plastic area there, as you see, and clearly there's no water actually going on the floor there. It's actually making its way into this area here. Now this whole section here, which is just where my fingers are, is sopping wet, so the water's actually making its way in, and you can also see clear water gathering here, and that's because it's coming into the car. The actual drainage point is fairly close to this area here, it's tucked away, but we've got to get that unblocked to make the water go through the vehicle. And what I'm going to actually show you is what should happen. By applying water to this side, again, same process of squeezing water into the channels. And you should see, going good, water making its way out. And that should happen on that side, which clearly it's not, so it's making its way into the vehicle. The actual rear footwell, the passenger side rear footwell, is wet as well. We've managed to just pull some trim aside to give us access to this rear footwell. So this is all wet in here, and it only appears to be this side currently which is wet, the other side is okay. And we'll do a brief video on the damaged area as well, so you can see what happens there with the leak.